Today's a big day. Dino just arrived at the construction site, and he's ready to help.
Whoa, those bags are huge. But Dino's strong, and he's not afraid of a little hard work. Step by step, Dino carries the heavy load. Nothing can stop a dino with a big heart.
He made it! Dino unloads every bag, puffing from the effort, but smiling like a hero.
The workers cheer. Dino's help made a big difference today. What a team!
With a friendly wave, Dino rolls out. Mission complete. See you on the next adventure.